a very merry holiday and a happy new year. Thank you, guys.
Before we start meeting, we're gonna do like an auction. This sign and autograph people by Braxton Miller.
Braxton Miller.
I
How
think he's
much is the starting bid?
the starting bid is $45. So see this sign right there, Braxton.
Going to
You're
PNACOA.
It's
Yeah.
going to be an SUA. You guys
You're
know who
interested.
Braxton Miller
I
is?
say Gloria will give an
Yes.
He
introduction.
used to be the quarterback at OSU from 2011 to 2013. And then he was drafted in the NFL in 2015. Right now, he's not playing anymore. He's been retired for a long time. He is now a businessman as well as a community leader. We met him when we had a community function in Circleville through my nephew who owns the golf course in Circleville. He was there, and that's how I was able to get him to sign the football. So, please, whatever the proceeds will go to PNACOH.
All right.
Very good.
All right, let's go